me. My name is Neola and welcome to another vlog. So today, this vlog is going to be very interesting, okay? So I have my mom with me and then there's my brother. So, what are we going to do today? Tell them what are we going to do and how exciting it is.
We are getting home. One more pet dog. We have one at home. We are getting one more.
So happy. We got this puppy from like Facebook.
There is one Mr. Alvin Pinto. Is an animal activist. So he found a stray pup on the streets, and he had put it in the Facebook, and I happened to see it. I mean, from last 15-20 days, I was looking out for pups. And then when I saw this pic, immediately I messaged him saying I'm interested in getting this little pup home.
And like we were planning, okay, so we always wanted a partner for Ray because he's too hyper and we can't keep up with that energy. So we wanted to get a pup and we actually found a pup also, but like it was too small to adopt, that's why we did not adopt it. We are going all the way to IC Colony from Navi Mumbai to get this dog. So we are like only 10 minutes away. How do you
Excited.
how
Excited to go and see my new pup.
Yay! We also have decided a name, but we'll tell that later. Like, watch this whole video if you want to know the name. मम्मी का और एक बेबी आ रहा है, मम्मी उसके लिए डायपर
डायपर लेके आई और पप्पी अगर कुछ पॉटी कर लेगा तो।
मेडिकल वाला क्या बोला तुमको?
मेडिकल वाला पूछे कितना छोटा बच्चा है।
20 साल का बच्चा है।
बच्चा नहीं, छोटा पप्पी के लिए चाहिए तो उसके दे दिया।
He's so cute. Max? No, he wanted to call him Max.
These are both siblings. How many times want Mali say, Baba?
Give him, Malish.
How much?
So, uncle, tell me, like, why do you like dogs so much?
Yeah,
And
I'll tell you one thing. I was not a dog lover at all. Okay? Never in my mind I think that I'm going to get dogs in my house. I'm going to, I was working abroad. And my son was small. Okay. At that time he wanted a dog. My wife is a dog lover from the beginning. So they bought a dog, German Shepherd. And I came to know I was very angry on my wife. Why he bought it? Give away. So one day my wife was ready to give the dog to one of the actor Mahajan. It's God's will, I don't know what. That actor was not available in the house, but during the traveling time, that German Shepherd, his name is Flash. He was literally in tears. My wife could see the tears dropping down his eyes. And he bought it back. And then he was with us for quite a number of years, for say maybe for 13 years. And once they grow old, they,
Yeah.
So he was very sick. He had some kidney problem, a liver problem. So we took him to BSPA Parel Hospital. And ultimately after next day we got a call that he's passed away. So I was literally crying. I cried so much like I must have never cried for anybody's funeral. I went there and I couldn't look at him, I with my own hands I cremated his body, and to for his memory I bought his even fur, cut his fur and bought it in my dog. From that onwards I felt a touch, he stole my heart.
yeah.
And then, not looking back, then me and my wife, we decided no more getting any breed dogs. We only go for stray dog. And ultimately, these people came in my life slowly. From childhood, they all have a history down the line. Someone was sick, someone had maggots, and someone was, left to die in the rainy season. Every day, I feed around 50 dogs a day, 60 dogs a day, as per my capability. And I rescue puppies, I get them in my house, I treat them, and I put for adoption. So now I've been doing this for quite long time, not much, but long time. And whenever I see puppies on the road, I get goosebumps. My heart cries in pain, and I say, why God, why? And this is my wife. She's the one who's supporting
Say
me.
hi, auntie.
All because of her, I'm doing all this work.
Do you want to say something to like the audience about like adoption or anything like that?
I would say that we Indian have Indian. Love them, get all the more double the love from them. So,
I literally told my mom like how overwhelmed I was to see your whole profile on Facebook.
Don't waste money in all the material thing. Feed this hungry soul and feed the humans. And see the miracles going to happen in your life.
the difference is there when you
Yeah,
have
positive
a
energy is there,
positive
yes.
energy, and then you get so engrossed with them. There is no time. Like when I come back from the office, maybe exhausted and all, and just my pet coming near me, I forget everything.
Yeah, it's true, very true.
Just pat them and all, then your mind automatically gets diverted.
मम्मी कैसा लग रहा है 20 साल बाद किसी को नैपी पहना के? My mom is not experienced.
I'm struggling.
कैसा लग रहा है? Say hello to hi, Nico. Hi, Nico.
There's a napkin by right here.
Reached home and now we're going to take our darling boy. Oh, welcome home.
Pick up the uncle.
That little boy is very So guys, it's evening now and we are taking Rico to the vet to deworm him and give him puppy shot and see that if he's totally alright.
इसको कितना पता नहीं रहेगा
एज क्या है?
नाइन के अराउंड 2 months क्या लगता है
Maximum percent.
बोलने की है
So I can consider him as 2
2
months.
months you can consider it okay
थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा लंबा तो बिल्कुल रहेगा.
Rico, Rico. Okay, done. Click. Hey guys, so here we come to the end of the vlog. Let me know if you think Rico is cute. If y'all like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you think he's cute and share it with your friends. Also, y'all can follow me on my Instagram to know me more. Till then, I'll see you all. Bye.